Sanitize the air in your home or office with the PureZone True HEPA Air Purifier from Pure Enrichment. This sleek and versatile air purification system complements any contemporary home or office while making the air more breathable and safe for your loved ones. Whisper quiet operation ensures PureZone operates silently in the background, so you can peacefully work and relax. PureZone also features a sleep mode setting so that you can easily fall asleep without any indicator lights keeping you awake at night. The 3-in-1 air filter consists of a pre-filter, carbon filter, and HEPA filter that targets and captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, mold spores, and unwanted household odors as small as 0.3 microns. The powerful UVC light safely destroys microorganisms such as germs, viruses, bacteria, and fungi. PureZone provides a perfect solution for making the air more comfortable while incorporating industry-leading energy efficiency settings, including an automated timer and 3 speed settings to perfectly adapt to the size of any room. You'll rest easy knowing PureZone is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty. The PureZone True HEPA Air Purifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today to live and work in the cleanest air possible.
Did you ever really think about what that stuff is floating around in the air? While you think your home air is clean, think again. According to the EPA, indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. And did you know that the average 6-room home in the US can collect up to 40 pounds or more of dust per year? To help protect your family from breathing in this dust and filth, we recommend you clean the air in your home. Take care of this dusty, dirty problem by using this Homes Desktop Air Purifier. The Homes Air Purifier is designed to trap airborne particles quickly. This smoke chamber demonstration helps to show you just how effective it is. As air passes through the filters, dust, smoke, odours and allergens go in, but don't come out. So your family can enjoy fresher air for cleaner, healthier, more comfortable living.
Fellows is proud to introduce the Aeromax Air Purifiers. This line of air purifiers includes the Aeromax 100, which purifies rooms up to 100 square feet, the Aeromax 200, which purifies rooms up to 200 square feet, and the Aeromax 300, which purifies rooms up to 300 square feet. The Aeromax air purifiers all have user-friendly touchscreens. The AirSmart sensor monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the fan speed to keep your air purified. The lights will also change from blue to amber to red to indicate the level of impurities in your air. Next, we have the Air Plus mode, which is designed for peak allergy and cold and flu seasons. Simply press the plus icon to increase the air turnover rate to remove even more allergens, viruses, and germs from your indoor air. The fan speed indicator shows you the current fan speed setting on your air purifier. Press the fan icon to manually select the fan speed, low, medium, high, or turbo. Or, if you prefer, press the auto icon for the machine to automatically adjust the fan speed to keep your air purified. Next, the True HEPA and carbon filter change indicators let you know when it is time to replace your filters by simply changing from amber to red. The Plasma True icon indicates that the ionized field is working to help safely remove airborne pollutants. Finally, the Fellows Aeromax air purifiers also have a built-in handle for easy portability. Enjoy your Fellows Aeromax air purifier. It's the maximum protection for the air you breathe.
Guardian air purifiers feature a powerful combination of filters and UVC light to trap particles that can cause asthma, allergies, and colds, while fighting bacteria and mold to help you breathe easy. The Germ Guardian 3-in-1 Tower air cleaning system provides multiple layers of cleaning. A true HEPA combination filter captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust mites, debris, mold spores, pollen, and pet dander. A pre-filtered charcoal layer captures larger particles while reducing household odors, and the power of UVC light kills germs and bacteria. Standing at 22 inches tall and KDAR rated 100+, make it perfect for small to large rooms. A simple 3-speed control makes operation effortless. And there's just one filter to replace every 6 to 8 months. Germ Guardian, creating a better home environment.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.